In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create ER diagram in Draw.io. So by ER, we are pertaining with the entity relationship diagrams. So with this, you can just describe right here the kind of diagram that you want to create and then click on start. As you have noticed, it requires no login or registration, so you can just proceed to enter it here your prompt and it will create a diagram for you. It uses OpenAI to generate those diagrams. So in there, just enter right here the prompt. Let's input entry relationship diagram about finance, for example. Click on generate and it will open in here this new window that allows us to actually see it in the works. Ensure as well that your JavaScript is enabled so you can actually generate your diagram using this way. Now, as you can see, it's right now generating. So just wait for this to be completed. So here is an example of that diagram. Now, if you wish to actually use it and actually create your own, what you can do is you can just add attributes like primary or foreign keys. Head over first into this and then just select an entity relationship diagram. It has template lists. So for this, you can just click onto this file, click on new, and then it will open in here this. Just choose right here the ones that you want. So for this case, just locate entry right there, or you can choose smart templates or business templates available. You can also search right here for specific templates that we have right there. So just get from template URLs if you would want to. You can also click on more shapes that we have. And for this one, under the software option, we have these options. We have entry relation. So you can find that right here if you try to expand it. Here's entity relation. Then just using here those entities, then just drag and drop them in order to actually connect them together right there. So here it is right here. Just make sure to edit it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.